Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? It is Well Red Beard. It is a damn fine day to talk about a book. And today we're here for a book review, and we're going to talk about When Shadows Burn by Todd Brown. This is a small press horror book. It's put out by Kohler Books. This is Todd's first novel, I believe, and it was written from a place of purpose. I guess I will say that maybe a lot of novels aren't written from. This kind of bills itself as one thing and is actually another thing. And there are so many things that I want to say about this book that I can't for fear of kind of giving away the shtick. What I will say is it is a gay slash trans allied type book, support book. It opened my eyes to things that I necessarily hadn't really thought about the fact that there's I mean, this may be wrong. This is loosely from the book, but the 1 to 2% population in America is trans. And what about that 1 to 2% that exists in like small rural communities where there is no support system, nothing for them to kind of look to for help. But again, it's all framed up as a horror book. Now, I had a problem with this book for about the first 200 pages, and the fact is it is written damn near identically to another horror book, a vampire book that if you're a horror fan, you'll pick up on it. I mean, to the character setup, to the house on the hill, to the two characters that come to town and open a business in town and take over the house up on the hill. It's dead on another horror book. And for the first 200 pages, I'll be honest with you, it kind of turned me off. But it's not like the author's trying to hide this. I mean, so much so that the house is named so similar to the house in the other book that I mean, it's a nod, it's a framework to tell the story he wants to tell. But so like I said, yeah, for a while it was a bit of a turnoff, and then it just wasn't anymore. And again, it kind of opened my eyes to things. What I will say is, regardless of how this book ends, and regardless of what it really is, which I'm not going to tell you, the horror in this book was real. I was very, very intrigued with. I mean, it was a page turner for me. The drama, the horror, that stuff. I mean, to me, it was really good. But anyway, I've talked too long. This is When Shadows Burn by Todd Brown. I gave it 4 stars.